Use the Scan to e-filing feature to capture and store hard copy documents to an e-filing box or folder. Perform the following steps to scan a document and store it in a user e-filing box. Place the original on the glass or in the document feeder, optional. Press the Scan Mode button on the touch panel. Press e-filing on the touch panel. Press Box/Folder. Press the user box in which you want to store the document. Since a password has been set to the selected user box in this tutorial, the password entry screen appears. Enter the password using the on-screen keyboard and then press OK. Select the folder in which you want to store the document. Press Open, then press OK. Change the document name if necessary using the on-screen keyboard and then press OK. Press OK. Press Scan. If you see the message to continue, place document on glass. And press Start or Scan. Place another original on the glass and press Scan or Start to continue scanning. When you have finished scanning, press Job Finish.